Stop. Stop telling people your goals. Stop posting your progress. Stop announcing your next move. The loudest person in the room is rarely the one winning. We live in a world that rewards visibility, a world that confuses performance with progress, where people document their journey before they've taken a single real step. You've seen it. You've probably done it. The new chapter post, the gym check-in on day one, the announcement about going all in before you've done anything. And here's what nobody tells you. The moment you announce a goal, your brain starts to treat it like it's already done. Neuroscientists call it social reality. When you share your intentions and receive acknowledgement, a like, a comment, a nod from a friend, your brain releases dopamine. The same dopamine it would release if you'd actually achieved something. You feel the victory. Without earning it, you feel productive, but you haven't done anything yet. Your mind has confused attention with achievement, validation with victory. And here's where it gets dangerous. The most powerful transformations in history, in business, in sport, in art, they didn't happen publicly. They happened in rooms no one had access to, in seasons of silence that nobody witnessed. There's a strategy behind that silence, and by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why disappearing for 6 months might be the single most powerful decision you ever make. How many times have you said it? This is my year. I'm going all in. New me, new chapter, new energy. And how many of those came true? Be honest, not because you're lazy, not because you're weak, but because the announcement itself drained the fuel. When you go public with a goal, 4 things happen and none of them help you. 1, you receive a dopamine hit from the attention. Your brain marks it as a win before you've even started. 2, the urgency disappears. The internal pressure that would have driven you to act dissolves the moment other people know about it. 3, you begin performing. Instead of building, you start managing how the journey looks to others. 4, your energy splits. Half of it goes toward improvement. The other half goes toward image. You stop building power. You start building a persona. And a persona is a prison. The people who quietly doubled their income this year weren't posting about it. The person who lost 40 pounds, you didn't see the 5 a.m. mornings. The entrepreneur who just closed their first major deal went ghost for 6 months while everyone else was busy performing growth instead of achieving it. You don't need applause, you need obsession. And obsession doesn't survive in public. The people who truly change their lives go quiet first. This isn't about being mysterious. This isn't about playing games. This is a deliberate, structured approach to transformation built around one core idea: results before recognition. The silent comeback strategy runs on 3 rules. Simple, uncompromising, non-negotiable. Rule 1, cut non-essential visibility, no progress updates, no new me posts, no motivational speeches to your friends about what you're going to do. This includes the subtle stuff, the cryptic captions, the vague story posts, the something big is coming energy. All of it. Move in silence. Think of your transformation like a plant growing underground. The moment you dig it up to show someone the roots, you interrupt the process. You expose what should stay protected. Let it grow in the dark. The surface will show itself in time. Rule 2, replace attention with execution. Every time you feel the urge to post, convert it. Instead of posting your workout, add another set. Instead of talking about your business idea, build version 1. Instead of announcing your grind, wake up earlier. Every unit of energy that used to go toward being seen, redirect it, reinvest it, turn it into something real. Attention is a currency, and right now, spending it on likes is spending it on nothing. Rule 3, track. Don't broadcast. You still need feedback, you still need to measure progress, but the audience for that feedback is you. Journal your wins, track your numbers privately, build a record that only you can see. There is something deeply powerful about having proof that no one has seen yet. It builds a quiet confidence, the kind that doesn't need external confirmation because it's already grounded in private evidence. Silence isn't weakness, silence is strategy. Now picture 6 months from now. Your body has changed, your finances have shifted, Your discipline has hardened into something almost unrecognizable. Your mind is sharper, your patience deeper, your energy cleaner, and nobody saw it happening. No one has a preview, no one has been fed updates. All they see is the result, and results hit differently when they arrive without warning. I have to be straight with you about something. The silent phase is not cinematic. It does not feel powerful while you're in it. It feels like nothing. It feels like you're invisible, like the world is moving and you're standing still, like everyone else is living and you're just waiting. You will feel forgotten. That's not a metaphor. People will actually forget about you for a while because you've stopped feeding them content to remember you by. You will feel irrelevant. The algorithm will move on. The conversations will happen without you, and your ego will scream, post something, anything. Just let them know you're still here. Show the progress. You've earned it. What's the harm? You're falling behind. Everyone else is out there and you're hiding. That voice is not wisdom. That voice is the ego starving. And the ego starving is exactly the point, because here is the truth that separates the people who transform from the people who perform transformation. When nobody is watching, you find out who you really are. Take away the likes, take away the comments, take away the audience, take away the external motivation. What's left? That's what you're made of. And that raw material, unobserved, unperformed, unpolished, that's what gets built during the silent phase. Most people quit here. They need the validation to continue. So when the validation stops, so does the work. But the comeback belongs to the person who can delay the applause. The person who doesn't need to be seen to keep going. Are you that person? Imagine 6 months from now, you walk into a room differently, not because you practiced it, because something inside you has actually changed. The way you carry yourself is quieter, more deliberate, less desperate. You speak less. And when you do speak, people listen because your words aren't diluted by 1,000 posts and updates and half-finished promises. You don't need to convince anyone of anything. You don't need to explain the journey. You don't need to announce the arrival, because your results have already introduced you. While others argued online, you built. While others performed discipline, you practiced it. While others announced the comeback, you were already in the middle of one. You didn't debate, you didn't justify, you didn't perform, you just worked. Quietly, consistently, without an audience, and now the work speaks. Stop trying to look disciplined. Become disciplined. Stop trying to look successful. Build success. Stop trying to be seen. Become undeniable. Disappear. Work. Return transformed. And when you come back, let your results do the talking.